What's up, family? We're gonna be on NASDAQ right now, and we're gonna be approaching the market with smart money concept, and we're gonna be focusing it so accurately from the monthly all the way to the day to the daily. We're gonna be breaking it down for you precept by precept for you to understand exactly what will be happening in the markets. And make sure that you join the participation in the comment section. Tell me what you see according to your analysis, to your way of seeing the markets through your point of view of analysis. And of course, we're just gonna be jumping straight to the analysis right now. Okay, family, so we are on NASDAQ right now, and I just want to go all over here where this price action or this piece of price action is taking place. And of course, there's a point of POI, okay? POI that I just want to take right there that really affected the market to have that bullish push to the upside, or that move to the upside. Now, I want to go to a bit of the weekly time frame where we have more piece of price action that is well informed, that can inform us in terms of where is the market going. And of course, that POI is this one right here, and the market has already mitigated it with this move, which created for us a lower low. Okay, once it created a lower low, now when it comes to smart money and the shift of structure, we have what we call a change of character. So this change of character right here is this higher low, because the market was still in a downtrend. So this higher low is the one that the market had broken through its push to the upside. There we go. So we had a very strong push to the upside, and therefore we had this chalk, what we call change of character, being broken. And when that change of character is being broken, it indicates to us, you and I as traders, that the market is now in an uptrend, or there's a momentum shift, or a shift of trend. Basically, that simply means that if the market was in a bearish market, now we are looking for buys because we are in a bullish market, because of the character and nature of the lower lows now are switching from to the higher highs and the higher lows. And that's what now we want to look for in this piece of price action as we go all the way to the day one or the daily time frame. And we can see that point that was once a higher low in the market now is now a point of, or a change of character that the market had broken. And of course, there are many right here. If you're trading intraday, there were many change of characters. This one right here that we had, this is the market, or this is where the market broke that, and it was already in a bullish market. But if from a bigger time frame, from a weekly, we can now conclude that the market is now in a bullish market because it has broken the higher high that was on the bigger time frame. Now, since we have that, a lot of people, they will just trade this, or what I would say back then, to say, well, since the market has broken higher highs, it will come back to retest, and then we're going all the way high. And which also it will do that because it has created what we call a retail trader sentiment. That is one of the ways that smart money manipulates the market to take liquidity. Now, already there's been liquidity in the market, and we do have a POI right here. But this POI, ladies and gentlemen, I want to submit to you that is not, or it might not be as strong as you and I may conclude. It might hold for a while, but the market is going to break it. Reason being is that this POI is at the level where there is a retailer sentiment. That means that a lot of people right here, when the market pulls back to this area, a lot of people are going to be placing buys to just conclude that the market will be buying because of the break and retest. But it's going to use that to its advantage. The banks are going to use that to their advantage, and what they will simply do is that they will push the market right over here to fill in a fair value gap, or what we call an imbalance. So zoom in for some of you that are using phones to see this as clear as possible. So now that we have that imbalance that was created when the market turned around, creating this lower high or this higher low in a bullish market, It rallied all the way so fast that it created an imbalance that they will want to fill before taking their buy orders. That's what happens when it comes to institutional trading. They cannot just trade or buy just like you at the retail level. They need to fill in. If they don't fill in or they don't have enough to fill in, then they will need to grab liquidity in the market. And that's what is going to be happening right there. They'll want to grab liquidity in the market and of course push the market up. So you will hear traders say, oh my God, it was a buy, it was so clear. They will spike it down, they will sweep them. After sweeping them, they will push the market up. So you and I must be vigilant and very much, clever when it comes to those markets. If it gets here and it's showing a bit of, support, and they will give the right candlesticks that a lot of retail traders see and say, well, this is a pin bar, this is a rejection candle. They will see that and, oh my God, we are buying. As soon as they put their buy orders right here on this level, let me just draw something here. As soon as they put their buy orders, so they'll put their buy orders at this level, and of course what will happen as well, they'll put their stop loss right here. Once they do that, the market is going to do them something crazy, right? It's going to spike them. After spiking them to fill in this imbalance right here, the market is now going to be going up. Okay, and of course there is a lot of imbalance that the market created. So this whole area, in fact, so we don't have a clear fair value gap, but we do have a strong imbalance here that the market will want to fill before going all the way up. And of course it will make sense that it will not break the structure of the bullish market. Okay, so you must get ready for that since we have this change of character. Okay, now we want to go to the 4H time frame to kind of really see more into the details that I'm talking about right now. Of course, we had the sentiment of NFP pushing down. Many of you saw that. And as I've told you, we've never missed an NFP in our lives. And so many of our students, even new mentorship students that recently, just joined us, they were so shocked at the accuracy, because I even told them early in the morning that the market is going to be selling, and it did exactly that. That strategy, family, it's in our mentorship course, right? So now, as you can see, the market did create a higher high right there. So when it has created a higher high, it will need to, as you can see, it's pushing down right now. You'll need to go a bit further to create a higher low. So the main question becomes, you and I as retail traders or forex traders, my learned friends, is the market going to come back all the way right here and buy, as many would anticipate it, or as smart money concept traders, is it going to come into this fair value gap right here, probably come to this supply level right here, or this POI, as many of us would call it, because somebody was debating with me. I don't like debate, I like making money. So we're going to go to this POI right here. As we can see, this now price action is giving us more information to say, where will the market turn around within this imbalance that was identified on the daily time frame. Now, we do have a bearing that it has marked to say it will get all the way right here and probably now start rallying all the way up. So I would want to look for that. I mean, we have equal highs right here. So when we trade smart money, you want to also look for clues like equal highs. Equal highs, a lot of people, retail traders, they're looking so much into buying back at those levels, because they say if the market was able to reject 2 times, the market broke it, we're coming back all the way there. So definitely this equal highs, they will take liquidity again, take advantage of it. So make sure not to get caught up in that whole liquidity. Wait for the market. As well as I want to give you a task and a project to do as your mentor on YouTube right now as you're watching this. Make sure that you trade only when you see a setup. Have the right trading psychology. Follow your trading plan. Don't trade because the market is open and because people are posting screenshots of profits and you feel like you're missing out. If it does not align with your plan and your strategy, then do not jump in the market. You want to jump in on the market with a sniper entry, with an objective, with an intention, because if you don't have an intention, everything is going to catch your attention. So make sure that you have that in your mind as you go about the week. And of course, As you've heard that, make sure that you get to subscribe to this channel, like, and also share this video. And also, please, communicate with me. I need you guys. We're building, or rather, we're trying to build the most, united trading community on YouTube. I need you guys to comment down below. I may be wrong, I may be right. Some of you may need to correct me, but let's engage with respect with one another according to the topic. Stick to the topic. Show me your side to say, man, I see this and see this. Okay, so anyway, see you on the next episode tomorrow. God bless you so much. This is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Mukhale, signing out.